Hello, in this video I'd like to go ahead and demonstrate uh, how to compute activity rates. So this is the step that comes after first stage allocation, which is calculating the total cost of each of the activity cost pools. And so it comes after that, and it comes before our second stage allocation. Okay, so what we have here, a little bit of a, well, it's actually a lot of a different scenario. In this example, we have activity cost pools, and we have looks like six of them, right? We have caring for lawns, caring for garden beds, low maintenance, caring for garden beds, high maintenance, travel to jobs, and customer billing. We also have the estimated overhead cost. Okay, so what has happened already is the activity-based costing team already got together. They already identified the activity cost pools, those five. They already estimated all the overhead departments, their total cost, and how much time or how much cost is consumed by each of these activities. Okay, so now we're just trying to calculate the activity rates. So if you'll notice here, we have our activity measures, and incidentally, it's square feet for caring for lawns, caring for garden beds, low maintenance, caring for garden beds, high maintenance, travel to jobs, and customer billing. Or number of customers for customer billing is the activity measure. We have our estimated overhead costs, and we see here, the expected activity. So we can go ahead and calculate our activity rates. All we need to do is divide. We divide the estimated overhead cost by that expected activity, 48 cents. So basically, we expect to care for lawns, we have some overhead costs for that, right? We expect that we're going to cut 150,000 square feet of lawn this summer, okay? We do the same thing for caring for maintenance beds, right? 26,000 divided by 20,000 gives us $1.32. So if we have a low maintenance bed, garden bed, whatever, it's low maintenance, we're going to incur a cost of $1.32 per square foot, right? Because the total overhead cost that are consumed by this activity are $26,400. We expect to care for 20,000 square feet of low maintenance garden beds. We have the same thing for high maintenance garden beds, right? Maybe high maintenance garden beds require different overhead, require different overhead, or different activities are consumed. Different overhead activities are consumed by the fact that it's a high maintenance garden bed. I don't know. Anyways, we take the estimated cost, which we think it's going to be about $41,400, and we divide it by our activity, 15,000, right? For the summer or season, whatever, we expect that we're going to have to care for 15,000 square feet of high maintenance garden beds. We do the same thing for travel, right? We expect that we are going to have a cost, a travel cost. Again, we have these overhead departments. The fact that we're traveling to jobs, it's consuming these overhead costs. The total cost is, for this activity cost pools, $32.50. We think we're going to drive about 12,500 miles. So we get 26 cents per mile. That's the activity rate. And then we do the same thing for customer billing. We divide our estimated overhead cost by the activity or the expected activity, we get $350. So that's how you calculate the activity rates. So we already did first stage allocation. We figured out what the activity rates are. Now we can go ahead and we can do our second stage allocation. So tune back in for that one.